Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows installing upgrading failed. Error code is 0x800703e6. So how to fix it? So let's start our video. So first you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. And other troubleshoots, just click on it. And here you see this Windows update, click on run and wait some minutes till this process will be complete. This is detecting programs. If this process will be complete, so you need to close it and search CMD, click on run as administrators. Now type here this command line. So type here this command line. First command is sfc space /scan now, and second command is this. If you comment, so I will give in decision box. You need to just copy and paste this command. So type this both command. First command is this and press enter, and second command is this, and second command successfully done. So need to close it. Just close your command prompt and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, you can easily resolve this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video, this method will be work for you or not, and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.